In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Google Sheets using 3 quick methods. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or just need a refresher, these techniques will make your spreadsheet management much smoother and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to your Google Sheets dashboard and selecting the document you wish to work with. Once you're inside the spreadsheet, the first thing you need to do is click on a cell. This is the starting point of any copying task in Google Sheets. The cell you click on should contain the data you want to copy. It's as simple as placing your cursor over the cell and clicking once with your mouse. Next, if you're planning to copy a range of cells, hold down the Control key or Command key if you're on a Mac, click your starting cell, drag over the additional cells you intend to copy, and then press Ctrl+C or Command+C. This step copies everything you've highlighted. Once you have copied your data, it's time to paste it elsewhere in your sheet. Click on the new cell where you want to paste the data, such as cell C2, and press Ctrl+V or Command+V. Your data will appear in the new location, just like that. If you prefer a navigational method, you can use the menu at the top of Google Sheets. Select the range of cells you want to copy as you did before. Then, click on Edit in the menu and choose Copy. Move to the cell where you want the copied data, for example, E2, and go again to Edit in the menu where you'll find the Paste option. Click it, and your data will be pasted into the new location. Finally, there's a third method using just your mouse. Start by selecting the range of cells to copy with the same click and drag technique. Then, right-click on your selected cells and choose Copy from the contextual menu. This method is handy if you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts. Now, click on the target cell, such as G2, right-click again, and select Paste from the contextual menu. Your copied data should now appear in the newly selected location. And there you have it, 3 straightforward methods to copy and paste content in Google Sheets. Each have their own benefits depending on what you're most comfortable with, whether it's keyboard shortcuts, menu navigation, or using your mouse. Whichever method you choose, these techniques are sure to streamline your workflow and help keep your spreadsheets organized and tidy. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing.